Today I'm going to do a short video of my Sony ZV-E10 with this cage that arrived yesterday that I bought from Leftfoto from Amazon, paid full price. And the reason why I bought this cage for my Sony ZV-E10 because I use this Sony wireless direct to hot shoe data port wireless audio. This is the transmitter. This is the receiver. I looked at Small Rig and their cages interfered with the placement of this mount. Without the cage, you can see it's fully mounted into the hot shoe data port on the ZV-E10. Let's see if I can install the cage with the wireless on. As you can see, hopefully you have a little bit of a decent sized gap, and this piece right here is forward enough so the wireless works perfectly. One screw in the bottom perfectly aligns with the whole thread on the bottom of the ZV-1. The battery door opens up perfectly, so no issues at all. And this cage was very hard to find because whenever I did a search for cages for the ZV-1, all that came up was the Small Rig one. Even if I put in not Small Rig one, this Small Rig came up every single time. So luckily, I was looking on Amazon and found this cage, which has a nice wooden grip on it. In addition, as you can see, the most important is that the wireless goes on completely, does not obstruct. I'm able to rotate the back of the LCD. I did install a Small Rig nano rail onto the side. I had a small one which works perfect. And another cool thing is this rail allows a nano rail on top. So if you want to put on a monitor on top, that's pretty cool too. So just a short video just to show there's other options out there. Not sponsored at all, just information for everybody to know that you can get a cage from Leftfoto on Amazon, FCZV-E10, and just to show, also has a way to mount it on the bottom natively. So that was pretty cool. I just thought, bring this with me. So on the bottom you can mount it. It has a built-in way to connect your camera on the bottom. You, most importantly, can use your Sony wireless audio, which is the reason why I have this audio. Is this is a small footprint camera, but I want to be able to add attachments to it. So just a short video just to show that this works perfectly with the Sony wireless microphone, which I'll have pop up. I think this is a very good system right here. The cage works. You have some attachments. It also doesn't interfere with the side ports, so that's perfect. Even with this little nano rail from Small Rig, it's pretty tight. It also has a hot shoe on the right. Some threads here, some threads on the side, some threads on the bottom, and you can mount it directly without having to add a plate at the bottom, which I think is pretty cool. So it locks in that perfect. So this is a very nice cage that was not very expensive. I got it from Amazon. Came in yesterday. I was going to do a video yesterday, but I didn't want to do it on the kitchen table. So behind the scenes video of my setup for doing a quick announcement video about this Leftfoto cage that fits perfectly with the Sony ZV-E10 and the wireless Sony audio. I am using my Hero 10 audio with the MixPro 3 with noise assist. Powered by the Anton Bauer Titan. And also I have the audio is the wireless Go 2. That's the Allen wrench to connect the camera to the cage. So just a supplemental into the video behind the scenes of my Hobo setup using this arm attached to a rolling stand. So this arm reaches out, goes over the camera, white background, went with black background just in case I did something else, natural light. So just a little bit of a Hobo behind the scenes of a quick announcement video that there are other options to the Sony ZV-E10 cage that works perfectly with the Sony wireless. And this little box right here is the charger for the Rode Wireless Go 2s. I was going to use this other camera to do behind the scenes, but sometimes it's easier just to do it with my phone and I'll combine them together. So happy 2022.